Hey everybody, thank you again for tuning in to my weekly rate update video. It has been a crazy week. So on Thursday morning, the inflation numbers came out and they have continued to go up, and that is continuing to drive interest rates up. The thing I really want to impress upon you today is there's a lot of confusion in the market right now about people wanting to lock in a rate before the Federal Reserve raises rates. The talking points have been, we're going to raise rates by 1/4% or 0.5% in March. And I've got calls every single day from people saying, how do I get in before rates go up? I want to make it really, really clear. Rates have already gone up. Now we think they're going to keep going higher. That's the key. The key is that you've got a message to your buyers, you've got a message to your homeowners. If you want to do something with real estate this year, now is the time to do it. Inflation continues to make everything more expensive, including interest rates on homes. So make sure you got that message out there that even though rates have already gone up, and you can see down below where rates are right now, the fact is we expect it to continue to go higher. Now is a great time to take advantage of where rates are. We're still in the threes in a lot of situations, so get out there and really help people understand and not be paralyzed out of fear. The other thing I want to talk about is kind of marketing. From a marketing perspective, I've had actually 3 different conversations this week about somebody saying, look, I want to find a way to differentiate myself. I want to find a way to be known in the market and get away from the noise, get away from the crowd that is every other realtor, that's every other lender, that's every other. I was talking to a life insurance sales guy last week, and the same question, how do I present myself in a different way? There's only 3 ways to actually be different in the eyes of the consumer. The first way that you're going to be different is price. Well, you can certainly be the low price leader, but you're never going to win that game long term. Somebody's going to be cheaper. The second way you can differentiate yourself is through niche products. You are doing something that somebody else is not doing. And the third way is to truly differentiate your business model. Make it so that you're not a commodity. You do things different. But the problem is people try and skip straight to, I want to differentiate myself and I'm going to go out and sell everybody on, I'm going to give you the best service, I'm going to be really thorough, I'm going to take great care of you. Nobody believes you. The proof's in the pudding. But how do you get in the kitchen to make the pudding? You have to find a way to get people to start working with you. And since you can't differentiate yourself until you're working together, your only choices are lower your price or niche marketing. And I really want to point out that most people are afraid of diving into a niche focus because they're afraid they're going to be pigeonholed into that forever. Let me give you an example. Maybe you want your niche market to be, I'm going to help first-time home buyers that have very little money to get into a home and help them figure out how to get into a home. Well, A, that's a pretty challenging niche right now because you know the low end of the market is very, very competitive. But maybe that's the direction you want to go. The fact is you now have the opportunity to get in the door with those people and differentiate yourself so that they can know that you are the best person to refer everybody to. Do not worry about being known as that guy. I built my career around doing subprime loans. From 2002 until 2007, that's all I did was subprime loans, but it allowed me to get in the door and differentiate myself. That's built my career into what it is today. Do not be afraid of being a specialist, because once they recognize how good you are, you'll become their everything guy. Looking forward to taking great care of you. Don't forget, I'm here to help with your buyers who are looking to purchase a home or your sellers who are selling to make sure that they know they're going to get out of their next home the interest rate, the payment, the savings they're looking for before they get their house on the market. Give me a call. Love to take great care of you and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.